Alright, so I'm almost done building this bike. The next step right now is to figure out the spacing between these two. I'm gonna have to measure it and stick, where are those things? Yeah, I'm gonna cut this in half right here. And I'm gonna see if I could stick it in there to give it some spacing so the nuts right here don't rub onto the metal. And I'm gonna do the same for this side. Let it run smoothly though, so yeah. Anyways, so that's what I'm about to do. Cut this in half, stick it in here to keep this straight. And after that, I'm gonna measure the distance between the motor and the wheel with the chain and shorten it if it needs to be shortened, or just leave it as it is, and then it should be good to go once I put the motor on it as well. So that's that. I'll catch you guys later. Nice.